Hey guys, it's Joanna here. Today's workout, it's all about working on your calf muscles. If you want long and lean looking calves, well, do these exercises. Each workout will be for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. If you have a skipping rope, well, use this because we want to work on skipping for the first exercise, okay? So, give your best shot and really use your calf muscles. Ready? Let's go. So it's not about hopping too high, okay? It's all about keeping your legs straight and just using your calves to lift your body up. That's it. Nice and easy. Get your body warmed up. This is also a really good warm-up. Good. So point your toes, lift your heels off, and just skip, okay? It's not about going high, remember. It's all about engaging your calf muscles. Keep going. Very good. Keep skipping. Nice. If you don't have a skipping rope, that's okay. Just do it and imagine that you are using a rope. Nice. Keep going. Few more seconds. And rest it out. Good. Now put your rope aside. We want to do in and out for the second workout. So it's all about working on your calves. So stand in a closed position, go out and in as fast as you can, okay? It's all about small movements on your leg. Let's go out and in. Keep your upper body as steady as possible. Just go out and in. So this is in and out steps. Good. Keep going. Upper body as steady as possible, okay? Movements all coming from your legs and your calves. Nice. In and out. Left and right. Good. Find your coordination, okay? Nice. Look straight ahead. In and out. And remember to breathe. Keep your knees bent. And big step in and out. Okay? Fast, big steps. Keep going. Last few more. And rest it out. Good. You should feel your calf muscles working. Next exercise is going to be a shuffle. So again, small but quick. All right? So shake your legs out a little bit and let's go shuffle forward and back. So we worked on left and right just now and now we want to work on forward and back. Good. So again, keep your body up and straight and shuffle forward and back as fast as you can and feel your calf muscles working. Very good. Forward and back. Upper body as steady and straight as you can. So chest up. Do not hunch or lean forward. Good. Keep going. Let's speed it up. 10 more seconds. Forward and back. Speed it up. Shuffle. Good. Point your toes. Lift your heels. Very nice. Keep going. And rest it out. All right. Next exercise, your favorite, squat jump, okay? So when it comes to squat jump, it's all about pushing and exploding to the top using your calf muscles, okay? Ready? Let's go. Down slow, up. Explode with your calves. Good. Explode, land gently. Explode and land. Very good. So I want you to really engage your calves, focus and think about working on your calves. Keep going. Bend your knees gently. Calves, very good. Push it higher up. The higher you go, the more you will be working on your calves. Up and down. Woo! Feel your heart rate. This is also a really good cardio workout. Up, push your calves, push your butt back, chest open, point your toes, and land gently. Last one, and shake it out. Woo! Your legs should feel wobbly right now. Right, we want to work on calf raises, okay? So single leg calf raises, just balance on one side. Let's start on our right, okay? So I want you to keep your right on the floor and lift it off slightly. Just very small movement. Heels off, down, heels off, and down. Good. Up and down, that's it. So small controlled movement, okay? Nice. Keep going, up and down, and now let's swap, change leg, left side, up and down, good, tap gently, up, squeeze your calves, right at the top, okay? Very good. Squeeze it, tap, squeeze and tap, squeeze and tap. Right, keep going, few more. Find your balance, tighten your core, and rest it out. And the last workout I want you to do is downward dog, okay? So grab your mat if you have it, lay it, and give me a nice downward dog. And what I want you to do is to stretch your calves out in order to lengthen your muscles. That's it. Walking dog. Keep walking and keeping your back flat. I want you to really feel your calves stretching and lengthening it. Good. So this workout will really help to lengthen your calf muscles. Very nice. Lengthen it. Lengthen. Good. And keep walking. Keep going. Nice. Feel the stretch in your calf muscles. Feel it lengthening. And that's how we get toned and lean calves. And now final, just hold it. Press your calves down. Press your back down. And just really feel that deep stretch. And just relax. Rest it out a little bit. 1 minute rest. And let's repeat the second set. You have about 15 seconds rest, okay? We want to move on to the second set. So you know all the workouts, give me your best effort. Again, skip, it's all about focusing on your calves. If you don't have a rope, that's okay. Imagine a rope in your hands and let's start now. Good. So it's not about going too high, it's about working on your calves, keeping your feet together, point your toes, and lift your heels, okay? Find your rhythm, find your pace. Very good. And breathe in and breathe out. You're not racing against anybody but yourself, okay? So keep your wrists soft and just find that rhythm. Listen to your inner body, listen to your inner rhythm. Good. Keep going, doing well. Feel your calves burning. Breathe and very good. Whew. The better you pace your breathing, the longer you will last through your workout. And good. Rest it out. Let's drop that. Second workout, in and out steps, okay? Again, it's all about keeping your upper body centered. It's all about working on your lower body and your calf muscles. Fast steps, all right? Let's go in and out, left and right, left and right. Good. Step in and step out. Always keeping your heels off the floor, okay? You're always stepping on your toes only. Good, chest up, look forward and step like you mean it. Keep going. Out and keep your knees bent slightly. Very good. In and out, in and out. Whew. Pace your breathing. I can feel you, I can feel your calves burning. But let's not stop now, let's feel the burn and let's push through. In and out, left and right, you got this. Left and right, step, and rest it out. All right, we have done left to right, and now we want to work on front and back, okay? So shuffle as fast as you can, keeping your legs as straight as you can with a slight bend in your knees. Ready? And let's go. Left, right, I mean forward and back, point, okay? Good. Shuffle, shuffle. Relax your shoulders, keep your shoulders soft, and just let it rock together. Good. Front and back. And just allow your arms to swing gently front and back as well. Good. Again, heels should always be lifted off and you should be pointing on your toes. Good. Let's speed it up. Last 15 seconds. Let's go speed it up. Front, back. Woo! I want to hear you say, I'm on fire. Let's go. Keep pushing. Last few more. And rest. Very good. Your favorite workout, squat jump. Again, when it comes to squat jump, it's all about the mind engaging with the calves. The more you consciously think about your calf muscles, the more you'll work on it. Okay, ready? Let's go up, up, push with the calves, explode up with your calves. Good. Push it, land gently, feel your butt working as well. Keep your chest up, forward, and push your butt back. Very good. So push up, point, up and point. Keep going. You are more than halfway there. Very good. Feel the burn and feel it. See your sweat dripping. Keep going. 10 more seconds. Push it up with the calves. Work on those calves, okay? We tend to neglect our calf muscles and rest it out. All right, single leg calf raises, or if you want to, you can always start with double leg calf raises, okay? So, look forward, look straight ahead, find your balance, tighten your core, and give me double leg raises, okay? Just up and down. If you have a stepper, then of course you can use a stepper, all right? To add a little bit more challenge. If this is too easy, find your balance, and let's go to single leg calf raise, and keep going, okay? Up, point your toes, land, and keep pointing. Very good, up and down. And now let's change to your left side. Woo! By now, you should feel wobbly. Good. Up and down. Find your balance. Tighten your core. Engage your entire body to work on your calves. Good. Feel that burn. Feel that muscle contraction. And rest it out. All right, good. One final calf stretches, okay? Grab this, place it in the middle. Ready? Let's go. Walking dog, okay? Remember, push your back into the floor, your heels into the floor, and walk it out. Good. Feel the left and the right calves being stretched out. Good. Keep walking. Keep pointing. Very good. Feel it stretching. Feel that deep stretch, okay? If you want to, you can even hold it for 2 counts. Hold it and keep walking. Nice. Remember, again, keep your back flat. Do not hunch. Good. Keep going. And now let's just keep both feet on the ground and push it in. Feel the deep stretch in your calves. Push it in. Hold it there. Just feel your calves lengthening up. And drop yourself down. And release. So that was 6 really effective calf exercises. You can even treat this workout as your cardio and even your warm-up. So it's all about focusing and working on your calves because that's the muscle we tend to neglect, okay? So add this workout into your routine, do it as your warm-up if you want to, or even end your workout with this. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and check out a lot more workout videos on my channel, and also recipes, fitness tips, and nutritional tips. All the best, see you in the next workout.